Hello friends from Facebook and YouTube. We got this 2001 Ford Crown Victoria. In this time we working on this right here, that part right there, which is this one here. This is the part we're working on. It looks like they replace it, but see what happened when mechanics don't know what's going on. Probably took it somewhere to a mechanic, and this is what happens. You can see they never put the grease on and create damage on this front bumper, and also was real close to damage the radiator. But this is what we're working on right now. We put in a new ball joint, lower ball joint on a 2001 Ford Crown Victoria, and as you see, it's already inside, but that's because we got, let's say, all the tools, all the equipment. We got this ball joint press, and we was able to do it right on the first time. So this one is not greasable, so there is no grease to worry about. So this is it, ball joint replacement, 2001 Ford Crown Victoria. um, for any jobs like these in Houston, we can do it. We can get you back running. We can get you back on the road. Thanks a lot.